Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Williams here in the UK. Today, I want to share something that quietly steals your strength as you age. By the time you finish watching this video, over 100 million of your muscle cells may have broken down. And that's just in the next 20 minutes. Most people think omega-3 or fish oil is enough to protect their muscles, but the truth is they only cover part of the problem. These vitamins reactivate your muscle stem cells, restore strength, and improve balance in just weeks.
I'm a muscle specialist, and I want to share something no supplement company will ever tell you. By the time you finish watching this video, over 120 million muscle cells in your body will have died. Yes, in just 20 minutes. That's how fast your muscles start to decline after 60. Every minute, tissue breaks down, and every day, strength fades a little more. You may have been told to rely on omega-3 seconds, fish oil or soft gels as an anti-aging miracle. But here's the truth, omega-3 alone won't save your muscles. It's like putting oil in an engine with no spark. It may look nice, but it won't run. In my clinic, I've seen patients spend years on fish oil, only to wake up weaker, stiffer, and more tired. Then we tried something different. 7 vitamins taken right before bed. Within weeks, their muscle tone returned, cramps vanished, and balance improved. The secret? These nutrients reactivate muscle stem cells, something omega-3 cannot do, no matter how pure or expensive it is. In this video, I'll reveal the 7 nighttime vitamins that rebuild muscles while you sleep. And number 2 will surprise you. It's the nutrient that research showed outperformed omega-3 by over 300% in restoring muscle strength in seniors. All studies and references are in the description so you can fact-check everything yourself. Before we start, I have a quick question. How old are you? Comment below. I personally read and reply to every single comment. Let's begin with vitamin number 7 because it could transform how your body rebuilds muscle tonight. Most people know vitamin D3 as the sunshine vitamin, but after 60, it's more like a hidden hormone your muscles can't live without. Over 70% of adults over 60 have a D3 deficiency, quietly reducing muscle strength from the inside out. Vitamin D3 doesn't just help with calcium or bones. It controls how your muscles absorb amino acids and repair overnight. Without it, your body forgets how to rebuild during sleep. Here's why. D3 activates receptors inside muscle cells that trigger protein synthesis, replacing old tissue with new fibers. When these receptors are inactive, muscles weaken regardless of how much protein you consume. A landmark study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found seniors with healthy D3 levels had 40% better leg strength and were twice as likely to remain mobile compared to those deficient. I remember Janet, 69, a retired teacher, who complained her legs felt hollow. She was taking calcium and fish oil daily, but still woke stiff and fatigued. Her D3 was dangerously low. I advised 2000 IU of D3 before bed with a small glass of milk or almond milk. 3 weeks later, she said, "I don't feel hollow anymore. I feel solid." Her blood work confirmed it. Muscle enzyme levels had normalized. Timing is crucial. Vitamin D3 works best at night, when muscle stem cells are most active. Taking it in the morning limits its rebuilding potential. During deep sleep, D3 enhances calcium regulation and balances testosterone and growth hormone, both essential for repair. If you wake up with aching thighs, trembling hands, or feel weaker each morning, it's likely a silent D3 deficiency. Restoring it can turn weak mornings into strong ones. Vitamin B6 often gets overlooked, but it's essential for overnight muscle repair. After 60, natural B6 levels drop, which affects how muscles process amino acids. That means the protein you eat may not be used efficiently. B6 plays a key role in producing serotonin, melatonin, and growth hormone, the 3 messengers that coordinate repair overnight. Serotonin relaxes muscles, melatonin induces sleep, and growth hormone rebuilds fibers. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found seniors with optimal B6 intake had 35% faster nighttime recovery and fewer morning cramps. Larry, 72, a retired driver, had tight, sore calves and poor sleep. His B6 was critically low. 2 weeks on a bedtime B complex containing B6, he said. "I slept like a kid and woke without pain." B6 also works with magnesium to relax muscles, improve circulation, and balance electrolytes. It helps store glycogen, your muscle's overnight energy source. Without it, mornings feel exhausting. Take B6 30 minutes before bed, ideally with a small protein-rich snack or warm milk. It quietly prepares your body for deep, regenerative sleep. Vitamin C isn't just for immunity, it's vital for muscle repair. After 60, tiny tears form in muscle fibers even with simple movements. Without vitamin C, these tears don't heal, and muscles fray over time. Vitamin C is critical for collagen synthesis, rebuilding connective tissue, tendons, and the muscle scaffolding. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors with high vitamin C intake had twice the muscle mass and 25% stronger grip strength. Carolyn, 70, a retired painter, felt like her muscles were bruised inside. She was taking calcium and T3 but no vitamin C. I recommended 500 milligrams of buffered vitamin C before bed. Weeks later, she could bend and reach easily again. Timing matters. Collagen production peaks during deep sleep, 11 p.m. 2 a.m. Vitamin C helps rebuild tissue, neutralize free radicals, and reduce inflammation. It also improves absorption of other nutrients like iron and magnesium. Take it before bed, and your body can repair itself while you sleep, waking up stronger and less sore. Vitamin E isn't just for skin, it's crucial for muscle preservation and circulation. This fat-soluble antioxidant keeps blood flowing to muscles during sleep, supplying oxygen and nutrients. Without it, muscles weaken, tissues starve, and oxidative stress damages fibers. A 2021 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed seniors with optimal vitamin E had 37% better muscle strength and fewer nighttime cramps. Harold, 74, a retired plumber, couldn't move his hands easily in the morning. Low vitamin E was the cause. I advised 200 IU before bed with a fat source, almonds or olive oil. 3 weeks later, he regained hand mobility without pain. Vitamin E strengthens red blood cells, improves oxygen delivery, and scavenges free radicals produced during sleep. This supports muscle repair, reduces tension, and restores energy. Vitamin B12 is your internal spark plug. It powers nerves, forms red blood cells, and delivers oxygen to muscles. After 60, absorption drops due to reduced intrinsic factor. Even a high-protein diet may not prevent deficiency. B12 deficiency causes muscle weakness, poor balance, and fatigue. A 2018 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors lacking B12 were 45% more likely to lose muscle and nearly twice as likely to have balance problems. Norma, 76, couldn't feel her legs responding properly. Her B12 was extremely low. After taking methylcobalamin at night, she reported, "My muscles woke up again." Nighttime B12 increases oxygen transport, reduces damaging homocysteine, and allows nutrients to reach muscle fibers efficiently. Most seniors need 501,000 microgram nightly, ideally in methylated form under the tongue or in a capsule. Vitamin K2 is often underestimated. It controls calcium placement, preventing it from building up in muscles and arteries, while returning it to bones. After 60, misplaced calcium stiffens muscles and slows recovery. A 2017 study in the Journal of Gerontology found daily K2 improved muscle strength by 26% and reduced arterial stiffness by nearly 50% in 12 weeks. Eleanor, 81, had stiff legs from calcium buildup. Pairing K2 with D3 before bed, her legs regained flexibility in a month. K2 also improves mitochondrial efficiency, boosting muscle energy and repair overnight. Take MK7K2 after dinner with healthy fat to optimize calcium redistribution and muscle recovery. Magnesium is the master mineral for muscle repair. It regulates over 300 reactions, including contraction, relaxation, and tissue rebuilding. After 60, levels drop due to absorption issues, medications, and stress. A 2021 study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society showed seniors restoring magnesium had 40% stronger grip and 30% fewer cramps in just 1 month. George, 79, struggled with restless legs. Taking magnesium glycinate before bed, he slept through the night without spasms. Magnesium lowers cortisol, increases GABA, supports deep restorative sleep, and ensures oxygen and glucose reach muscles for repair. Without it, mornings feel weak and sore. Take magnesium before bed in glycinate or citrate form with warm water to relax muscles, stabilize your heart, and enhance sleep.